The Meerkat magic.
Meerkats are nature's solar panels. On a hot sunny morning they are famous for their upright stance and golden glowing coats of puffed out hair. They are the secretive solar soaking Suricates. Not surprisingly, the characteristic stance of the upright meerkat, using its non-prehensile tail as though it was a monopod chair, has given these solar sponging Suricates the famous German name of Erdmännchen, or Earthmen. This behavior is commonly called sunning or sunbathing. Having enlarged supportive hips and narrow shoulders, the meerkat can easily stand and balance upright to warm its belly. Suricates are internationally recognized for this upright homeostasis around sunrise. Huddle scrumming and cooperative thermoregulation. On colder days, the meerkats will actively huddle or hold onto each other, puffing up their hair and protecting the exposed, sparsely haired undersides. Shuffling suricate scrums are common on colder and overcast days. Younger meerkats, with very little protective hair, often burrow their way into the very center of the cooperative thermoregulation heat-retaining huddle. These huddles move around and often see the youngest meerkats, who are the most vulnerable to temperature fluctuations with their very short hair, snugly wrapped in the center of the shuffling suricate scrum. This forms a writhing mass of overlapping, hugging, heat-retaining bodies as a barrier against the bitter, biting cold. Additional warmth is generated for the protected babies inside this inner cave sanctum of cooperative thermoregulation. Moving meerkat mounds soon begin to grow into ever larger stacks of heat-seeking bodies. Although curled together, meerkats can be deceptively alert, with many eyes watching for predators. The Ungu Lungu Wild and Free Meerkat Group, filmed in the Meerkat Magic Valley Reserve of the Meerkat Magic Conservation Project. Conservation through education.